Friends, welcome to IHM Gwalior. Institute of Hotel Management, Catering Technology and Applied Nutrition Gwalior. It's a great institute. It's a nice institute. It's a holy institute. It's a pious institute. You know, people may be very much envious to us. They may be jealous to us. Why do you know? Yes, I will tell you the reason. The reason is we are dedicated to work. We know how to work. We know how to perform the best things. We know how to make the good things. So, this kind of jealousness is very much needed for the self-development, for the development of the society, for the development of the students. Friends, those who are studying in class 11th and 12th, they might be knowing it very well that if there are no leg pullers, there will not be any development. Do you believe it? I will give you the proof. Say, if there is no opposition, will you be able to develop? Will you be able to understand where do you lack in your qualities? I think no. Therefore, let them pull your legs. Let the others take out the negative things from you and you tell them thank you sir, thank you madam, because I have been pointed out and this is a room for improvement and I will improve on these points so that I can become the best person in your eyes, in your mind, in your heart. So friends, we are here to teach you not only the positive things, but also how to be like safeguarded, how to save yourself from the wrongdoings, from the wrong sides. In terms of food making, in terms of behavior, in terms of many other things which are needed in the industrial development, in the hoteliering development, in the personal development, in the societal development. So friends, I'm Bankim Jor, the head of the department and the quantity training in charge. Today is 20 August 2025, Wednesday. We have got group C with us. They are appearing in a class test that we call the internal assessment practical examination, which we have to conduct 4 in number. This is the second one and most of the students, they have appeared. Now, we will take you into the zone of, into the area of Lucknow. I have already told you in the previous video that where is Lucknow and what was its old name. So I would request my supervisor student, Mr. Pankaj Singh. I think you have tried your level best to control the students today. So,
yes, sir.
Okay. So are you happy? Are you happy with today's class? Okay. But I have seen you that you have controlled them in a very nice way. You have given them the right thing, right direction, and you have proved your work that you can become the best supervisor. So thank you, beta. I'm very much proud of you, my dear son. And keep it up and may God bless you. I raise my both the hands for blessing you up. Now you tell your friends and the friends on the other side of the camera that how your batch prepared the food. I will join after some time.
Good afternoon, viewers. My name is Pankaj Singh. I am a student of IHM Gwalior 3rd semester. Today we are making Awadhi cuisine. Awadhi cuisine is a historical region in North India. They are located in the northeastern part of UP. It is famous for rich history, culture and Nawabi heritage places, also known as City of Nawabs. And today we are prepared Awadhi cuisine with my friends and my colleagues. And first of all, the salad is here prepared by Balram Pariyar, Lavkush and Prashant Rajoria. Prashant Rajoria, please give the feedback. Nitesh.
Good afternoon, viewers. Today we have prepared green salad. They have cucumber is cut roundel shape and carrot is cutting very good, and tomatoes are roundel shape and onions are roundel shape and green chili are sliced and lemon veggies are good. So it is a well decorated in a green salad.
Way of presenting is very good of salad. And second dish is Gulati kebab made by Mantisha Khan, Lavkush and Nitish Kumar Shah. Nitish Kumar Shah, please give the feedback to our viewers.
Namaste viewers, my name is Nitish Kumar Shah and today we have prepared Gulati kebab. Gulati kebab is known as famous for Awadhi cuisine and this is region is Lucknow. gulati kebab is melt easily in a mouth. So it is mainly ingredients. We have first of all keema, mutton keema, and marinate by chana dal binding agent ऐसा, and we have a first of all, and this is a crispy nature of a mutton.
Please taste it, Nitesh.
This is a crispy nature, and mutton is not cooked because due to not area mixy and grind are not properly. So I am sorry. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Nitesh. And next dish is pulao, made by Prachi and Raghavendra Vadoria. Please, Prachi, give
Good
the
afternoon, viewers.
positive
My
review.
name is Prachi Rajawat and my friend name is Raghavendra Singh Bhadoria. Today we prepared Awadhi cuisine. In Awadhi cuisine we prepared pulao. In pulao we use basmati rice and aromatic spices like black pepper, cinnamon, mace and cinnamon. So I would call to supervisor for taste it and give some opinion regarding this.
The rice is well cooked and the salt is very perfect in pulao. And texture is also good. And the
Plating is also good.
plating is good. Okay. Next dish is Gosht Do Pyaza, made by Prateek Singh Narwaria and
Good morning, viewers. My name is Prateek Singh Navaria. Today I have made Gosht Do Pyaza with my friend Nitesh Dimla. It is also famous as Mutton Do Pyaza. It is a very famous dish of Lucknow. Let me check the taste to supervisor.
please Prateek taste it
Yes.
and give the positive views to our viewers. Positive review.
Properly cooked, the mutton is very soft, and the spices and their aromas are coming on the tip of the tongue, and overall it's good.
Thank you, Prateek. And next dish is Navratan Korma, made by Muskan Kushwaha, Mrinal Das, and Ram Kewat. Please.
Good afternoon, viewers. My name is Mrinal Das. Today I have prepared Navratan Korma with my friend Muskan Kushwaha and Ram Kewat. Navratan Korma means there are the mixture of 9 vegetables in this dish. Please focus on the dish. Here you can see.
The dressing is very good of Navratan
You can see
Korma.
that it is perfectly garnished with cherry, pineapple, apple, and cream, fresh cream, and paneer grated. You can see the gravy is perfectly cooked in lightish brown color. There are 9 in this dish. There are 9 vegetables like potato, capsicum, carrot, and beans, semphali.
Please, Manal, taste to Muskan Kushwaha and give reviews to our viewers. And sir also. Sir, please come. Please taste.
I can see the preparation is good, but it could have been made a little better also. It's oily, that's very true. It has got the vegetables also. Friends, this Navratan Korma, this has got a conception like this has got 9 vegetables within it. It can be non-veg also, but basically it is made vegetarian, and the mixture of the 9 vegetables which have been added into it, they are very much prominent also. But I will have a little bit of objection regarding the cuts of the vegetables, as because the students are in second year, they should have known the cuts of the vegetables by this time. Few vegetables are not of proper dimension. Some are bigger, some are smaller. That will spoil the ultimate appearance of the dish. So that is the room for improvement. Now I will have it. It's tasting good. The vegetables have been cooked properly. The taste of the OGG paste is there, and it's giving me a very rich sensation, as if like I'm really having the food item from that particular area, which has got like very much weightage also in terms of food selling, in terms of food preparation. And this was once upon a time known to be the royal place, that is Lucknow. It's very much evident from the taste. So I don't have any other objection except the cuts of the vegetables. After that, the next item we have got Varki Paratha.
Varki
So
Paratha.
over to supervisor.
Made by Naina Rajput and Nitin Arya.
So good afternoon viewers, my name is Naina Rajput, and as you know, today we prepared Avdi cuisine, so in which me and my friend Nitin Arya prepared a Varki Paratha. So in the Varki Paratha, Varki means layers. So firstly we made the dough, and for making the dough we use the ingredients like refined flour, salt and milk in it, and we prepare a soft dough with some oil also. And for the we made some balls of the dough, and then we flattened the dough and layers of dough. And for the flattering the balls, we use some butter in it and give the shape of the paratha. And then we cook the paratha in the oil or butter. Then the layers, you can see the layers of paratha is very good and seems very good. It is very well cooked, and the color of paratha is also looking very good. And you can see we garnished this paratha with some coriander leaves. So I would like to tell supervisor, please check the paratha and give review.
The paratha is well fried and well cooked, and salt is very good in the paratha. And also, Nitin, you taste, please give the positive review to our viewers.
Paratha is very nice and salt is very nice. Thank you.
It seems very delicious also.
And next dish is Zarda, made by Aman Kirar, Pratik Singh Yadav.
Supervisor, please taste it.
Viewers, good afternoon viewers, my name is Pratik Singh Yadav and my friend name is Aman Kirar. We all made the zarda. You can't see this, the garnishes is also in the cashew nuts and almonds. And there is the texture, you see this in the zarda. I call the supervisor, he will taste it and give some positive reviews.
And the zarda is very nice and well cooked, and the texture is also good, and the sweetness is very good, and the flavor is very good also, and the presentation of zarda is also delicious, and the good presenting way of zarda. Thank you, and sir, please come.
So friends, that you have seen that our student friend, student supervisor, he has already explained all the things, and nothing is left for me, but still I will always tell you my version. You can see the coverage of the table. Supervisor, just have a coverage of the table, the cameraman. You can see the words which they have mentioned in this page, that is a placard, I will say, or the nameplate. You can see the fonts are very much attractive. The person who has written it, he has got sufficient knowledge regarding calligraphy. This is called calligraphy, and they have already practiced it earlier also. It's very much evident that in their school days they have already practiced it, and the calligraphy or the handwriting has to be very good, because wherever you go, computerization is very much everywhere. But the moment you come to know that this has been handmade, then your interest, it increases very high, very much. So I would like to thank that particular boy or the girl who has made this particular calligraphy or the writing. After that, I will tell you that just have a look at this particular container which has been used for preserving the paratha. You can see the container has been wrapped by using the wrapper or the silver foil, and that increases the look, and it also gives you the sensation as if you were in that particular era. That is the royal era, or the the time of the Shahanshah, Badshah, and those particular days. So it gives you a new feeling, old feeling. So every time we are searching for the old things in the new dimension, in a new angle. So this is the place, that is the Institute of Hotel Management, where you can learn the service of the food items, or the preparation of the food items in the new style. So friends, please come to IHM Gwalior, take admission in the 3-year BSc HHA program and 1-year diploma program in the food production. So now after that, I will tell you some more thing. Like, say for example, here if I will tell you the cameraman to have a coverage of the place. You can see the color contrast. The color contrast is also very much evident. It's very much clear. The color white and the golden yellow color, and the color of this tutti frutti, the color of this particular saffron, I think, yes, saffron, yes, kaju. You can see that all the colors, they are giving their presence on their own, and they're not hiding anything. So what does it indicate? It indicates that unity in diversity, diversity in unity. You cannot stay on one color. If there are many colors, then you will be able to enjoy the scene. Say for example, rainbow. Just imagine, if the rainbow has got only one color, will you be able to enjoy it? No. Rainbow has got multiple colors, and that is the beauty of the rainbow. So all our students out here, please have a coverage. They are the colors of the rainbow, friends. They are the colors of the rainbow, and we are the seer or the viewer of the rainbow. Tomorrow, after some years, they will really like make the entire world into a rainbow sort of thing, and they will glitter in the sky like the successful managers, successful chefs, successful executives, successful corporate chefs. So these are the things which we are getting by teaching the students. And at the end, I would like to invite our great chef, Shri Brij Gabrani ji, and also I will call my beloved friend, Mr. Suresh Valmik ji. आप लोग यहाँ पे आइए और क्लास में हमारे बच्चों के मनोबल बढ़ाने के लिए आप 2 शब्द कहें।
जैसा कि आपने आज देखा, हमारे स्ट्रेंथ भी काफ़ी अच्छी थी, तो बच्चों ने इतना सुंदर सुंदर डिशेस बनाई हैं। कलौटी कबाब है, नवरत्न कोरमा है, वर्की पराठा है, जर्दा है। तो हम चाहेंगे कि ऐसे ही बच्चे हमारी स्ट्रेंथ बराबर बनी रहे, तो आगे हम बहुत जल्दी और इससे अच्छा करें, और आगे हम थीम लंच के लिए तैयारी शुरू कर सकें। धन्यवाद।
बहुत सुंदर। सुरेश जी, आपको मैं अपना हाथ मिला के धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगा, क्योंकि मैं हमेशा चाहता हूं कि हमारे सुरेश भैया जैसा हर इंसान बने, और आपकी जो मेहनत है वो बच्चों की डेवलपमेंट के लिए काम आएगा। बच्चों को आप जरूर आशीर्वाद दीजिए। धन्यवाद। So friends, that was the end of the day. So on this 20th August 2025, we are concluding it by saying, wherever you are, please stay safe, stay healthy, stay jolly, stay nice, stay blessed. Thank you.